I drank a lot of seawater, guys. You know, because we swam over there, and then we're going to swim here. Still swimming there, like that.
There.
So,
We will make ikot-ikot over there.
yeah. And now I'm here beside
Wow!
you. And this is our adventure with the Marites over there. So we swam over there. Yan. From there we cannot see anymore. So now we're almost to where we started a while ago. Like that. Yeah. And that's the ocean park behind. Yeah, behind us. Okay, so now we're still going there to eat our orange. And my back is very hurt now, guys. Oh my god. So let's go. Sana hindi malabo tong mga kuha namin. Sana lang. So yan guys, yung cave dito. Pero hindi na kami pumasok kasi ayos na kami. Dora, yung ano mo oh. Basura mo. Ay, dito naka-live. Guys, tingnan nyo yun. Ang cute ng damit namin. Ayan o. Ayan, nabasa siya. Ang cute. Oh my god. So we're here in the cave at ganito yung gamit namin o nabasa. Hi guys, so we're still going to swim here. Yun guys. At ang ganda ng view. May bato dun oh.
Hindi ko pala na-view. Yung pambibigta ka namin.
Ngayon kailangan namin lumangoy pa dyan guys. So let's go. Malapit na talaga kami. Dito sana kami dadaan kasi lang slide. So guys, let's go. Go! Ay, may kumapit! Oh, may kumapit sa akin! My God, wow! Ay, ayan guys. O hindi siya hindi siya maganda kapag nasa likod Kuba? Parang ano lang kuba? Parang naglalakad sa dagat.
Guys, may kuba.
Oo. Yan guys, yung Marites.
Ay, intro pa naman ako na maganda-ganda.
Yung English naman.
Ayo.
Hello guys. We are in the middle of nowhere.
Kung impresa.
Yes. Ang daming demand guys.
Intro mo ako maganda. Sige, sige.
Welcome to Easy Vlog.
Ay.
Hello guys. Grabe guys yung mukha ko. Babad siya sa tubig, sa init, sa araw. Oh my God. Anyway, malapit na kami. So, we're trying not to swim. Kasi nakakapagod na rin siya. Kailangan talaga dito guys may gloves kasi ang talas. Ay, sugat naman ako kasi lang isa lang. Isa lang naman. And the water is quite, ang linis. Grabe. At yun, pupuntahan namin. Lapit na kami talaga. Dito kami galing kanina. So, inikot lang namin yung isla. Kanina, mas mabilis kami pagkalangoy. Pero ngayon, medyo nahirapan na kasi ang bigat ng bag namin. Ang daming tubig. Napasukan ng tubig yung bag namin. Buti yung mga gamit namin naka-plastic. Pero yung
power bank ko hindi siya nakalagay sa plastic kanina kasi hindi ko pinasok ko. Kasi sira na. So now we're here. And ganyan siya dito guys. And the Marites there. Now we need to check where are we going. Are we going this way or that way? We check first here. I think that way is better. I think this way is better. Here. Sana hindi siya madulas. Ay, sana hindi kami madulas. Napagod na rin. Ramdam ko na yung pagod ko. Ay! Hindi na tayo swimming. Ano yan? Huwag mo nang anuin yan. Dito na tayo. Hindi na tayo mag-swim. But it's slide here. Slide pero kaya naka-video ba din? We survive. So, ayan guys, we survived. We're here now. Yay, congrats to us. At yung kasama ko, yun sila. Yoo-hoo! So, bali guys, itong isla na to, inikot talaga namin siya. So, mostly, nag-swim kami sa kahit na maalon siya. Kasi mahirap siyang daanan na ganito, madulas. So, yung ginawa namin, nag-swimming talaga kami. So, ayan, we survived guys, and congrats to us, my friends there. Ayan, so just the three of us guys, and still we survived. Survived. I survived. They survived. Yeah.
Oy, may ilalanguin pa tayo.
So, ayan guys, we survived. We're here now. At yan yung bundok na aming naikot. Yan guys. Ang galing. Ang galing namin pala. Hi guys! So, we're here now. Ayan si Marites. The matapang. Ay, lakas ng loob pala. So, yun guys, yung bundok
Uy,
namin na
nag-sensor
ito.
yung ano ko, lad. Paano
Yan.
yun?
So, ngayon, basang sisip kami. Ano?
Ay, nalibutan yan. Nalibot na.
So, yun guys, I can't believe na itong isla na yan. Ayan, yan.
Proud na
yan.
proud to.
Yes. Yan guys, ay aming naikot. Nag-coastering kami dyan. And then, but more on swimming kasi. Mahirap siyang i-coaster. Mag-coastering kasi. Ano, yung bato, matalas.
Saka matataas.
Yan, taas. So, kahit na maalon kanina, talagang nilangoy namin siya guys. At meron kaming kasama na magaling lumunod. Magaling na lang. Ayan guys, so ayaw niyang matawag na hindi marunong eh. So ayan guys. Bye!